Ma'am, actually, I have joined just 4 5 days back only. I have not taken the attunement, but I have done the self healing twice, and
Mm-hmm.
based on that, I could find that certain kind of peace has descended upon me. Like I feel extremely cool and peaceful and balanced. Earlier, I
Good.
was not feeling like that. I was feeling a little bit disturbed due to certain issues affecting me since last 5 6 years. But now I could feel at very ease and some kind of peace within me,
Great.
and that balance has been restored, and a little bit sluggishness also towards certain activities I was feeling earlier. Now that sluggishness is not there. I could find some movement in a lot of directions. So that is some good thing which I'm observing since last few days.
Great. Only for 4 5 days, right?
Yeah.
And you are
Yeah.
not taken that attunement even. So from
Yes,
Monday,
ma'am.
you join from the first class, okay, and you take the attunement and then tell the experience for
Yes,
the
ma'am.
complete 11 days.
Certainly.
There will be a drastic change.
Yes,
Great.
ma'am. Yeah.
Very nice experience. God bless you. Keep on doing like this.
Om
ठीक है?
Budhya.